The belt fork can be used to identify a belt cross-section if the part number cannot be read. The size indication mark should line up with the reinforcement cord line of the belt. The groove gauge is used to check for wear of the sheave. Choose the correct gauge based on the sheave belt compatibility. Our exercise uses an A-B combination sheave that is compatible with A or B cross-section belts. Then choose the tab based on sheave ND or nominal diameter. Our sheave is less than 7-inch ND, so we choose the 34-degree tab. Insert the chosen tab into the V-groove of the sheave. The gauge should only contact the tapered sides of the groove. Contact with the bottom of the groove or any side gaps of 1/32 of an inch or greater indicate the sheave is worn and needs to be replaced. Install the belt. Avoid rolling belts on when possible. Concentrated strain at a single point on the belt can lead to premature failure. Take up the slack in the belt adjustment and in the associated hardware. Verify alignment with a straight edge. Always check alignment using the sheave surface and not the bushing. The bushings may be seated at different depths in the sheave bore due to shaft part variations. With the sheaves in alignment, tighten the mounting bolts slightly. They need to be tight enough to hold the motor in place and maintain belt tension, but still allow the adjustment bolts to force movement. This is necessary because as we increase belt tension, by applying adjustment force, the distance between the applied forces causes the motor to try to rotate out of alignment. The adjustment screw nearest the belt applies all of the force to tension the belt. The rear adjustment screw is only used to maintain angular alignment. Gradually apply tension to the belt. Make small adjustments and recheck alignment frequently. To improve tensioning accuracy, roll the belt while applying pressure to help seat it in the V-groove. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.